I've been trying out some of these Remington Yellow Jacket Hypervelocity 22lr rounds, and I've discovered my rifle 22, it's a CZ452, it just doesn't like them. Now many people might find these shoot well in their rifle, but I've had a little think and I thought, why not compare them with the Subsonics from Remington? Not on paper, not for accuracy, for grouping, not on ballistic gel for penetration, but just being curious and seeing what's inside. Having a look at the hollow point and the shape of the bullet on the Subsonic, it's apparent that the hypervelocity, the Yellow Jacket round, is quite different. It says conical on the box, and Remington also do the Cyclone, which is that shape, more normal that you see. When I tried to strip down the Subsonic round, it was quite a tight fit in the case and I made quite a mess of the bullet itself, but it come away eventually, and we'll see what that weighs. Now that doesn't quite come up to the 40 grain that's claimed, and the Yellow Jacket, the bullet was quite a loose fit in the case. Now it said on the box 33, and that's looking quite good. So the 33 grain on the box for the Yellow Jacket seems to be about right. Now I'm just wondering what powder's inside the Yellow Jacket. That's all. That looks quite good, and just wondering what's inside the Subsonic, and straight away I can see it's much less. Just comparing the look of the powder itself, looks like the Yellow Jacket has got bigger grains, can't really tell, and the Subsonic looks a little bit smoother. Well, I'm curious now, slightly coarser powder, or if you want to put it the other way around, slightly finer powder for the Subsonics, coarser for the Yellow Jacket. There's certainly more volume and weight in the Yellow Jacket powder. The only thing to do now is set fire to it and see what they burn like. Just looking at the residue from these two, it looks like the Yellow Jacket is a much cleaner burning powder than the Subsonics. There seems to be more ash and particles left over from the Subsonic compared to the Yellow Jacket.